Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Answer the Public for content ideas and monetization. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Answer the Public website. Once the home page loads, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. Type in a keyword or phrase relevant to your niche or topic. Click the Get Queries button to generate content ideas. The tool will take a few moments to compile responses based on your input. Once completed, you'll see a visual representation of various questions, comparisons, and prepositions related to your keyword. To better understand the data, switch between the circular view and the data table view. In the circular view, you can explore how different queries branch out from your main keyword. In the data table, you'll see listed questions and phrases that people are searching for online. Take note of any particularly relevant questions that could inspire your content. You can filter the results by selecting specific categories or types of content. Consider how you can answer these questions in your videos or blog posts. Once you find promising ideas, open a separate document to jot down potential titles and outlines for your content. After you've gathered enough ideas, think about how you can monetize this content. Research affiliate programs or products related to your keywords. Incorporate these monetization strategies as you produce your content. Finally, when you're ready to create, use the insights gained from Answer the Public to create engaging, valuable content that resonates with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.